What's going on, guys? Here's a Glock 22 Gen 4 40 caliber. It holds 15 plus 1. I prefer a 9, but I got a 40 for specific reasons. It's no big deal though. They all do the same thing. I'll probably post some videos of me shooting this later on. I might bring out the steel targets or something. But 15 plus 1, you got the glow in the dark sights on it, which is pretty nice. But other than that, pretty simple, pretty reliable. I wouldn't say they're the most reliable. People are going to disagree with that, but I think Canic is a lot more reliable than Glocks. But I got a Glock. I ain't got a Canic yet. I plan to get one soon. But this is the Glock 22 Gen 4 15 plus 1.